Home is where you can free your mind, warm your soul, and give you hope. With strongest support anytime. Open the door. A clean and tidy house. Everything is in good order as usual. Even it is a tiny home. Feeling so blessed, so good. Taili has focused on vacuum technology more than 20 years. With the aim of create better home life, Taili keeps moving forward to the market of household storage products, writing a new chapter in household storage industry, showing the rise and power of new domestic products. In December 1999, Zhongshan Taili was founded. At the first beginning, Taili has defined a clear development path of taking science and technology innovation as the source power of enterprise. Till the end of June 2019, Taili has filed for more than 600 patents worldwide. By 2020, the number of patented technologies will exceed 1,000. Taili has been awarded the municipal, provincial, and national honorary titles many times. In September 2008, Taili has become the cooperative enterprise of China's Space Product Research and Development from Tiangong 1 to Tianzhou 1. Taili's products have been used by Chinese astronauts in the space 7 times for supporting their life in the space. Since then, Taili's products have been widely used in government agencies, medical units, military institutions, and other important fields. Taili have 3 industrial production bases located in Guangdong, Shanghai, and Hebei province. We set up automated unmanned production line, provides one-step household storage solutions covering planning, organization, and preservation. Taili owns 1 doctor's workstation and a number of new materials laboratories and vacuum research institutes. Moving forward with the goals of being high-tech, innovative scientific and technological enterprises. At the same time, nearly 1,500 square meters photography base covering a number of popular decoration styles and live scenes can meet the needs of different products and customize the scene. 20 e-commerce broadcast rooms with different scene styles have created a live broadcast platform for cross-boundary resource integration and resource realization, which will cooperate with more enterprises for mutual benefit and win-win results. Taili Business Academy, covering nearly 1,500 square meters, focusing on talent cultivation, has built an e-commerce industrial park integrating film and television production, e-commerce, live broadcasting, and business training. Nowadays, Taili has been fully developed in new materials, new technology, new structure, new design, and other fields, leading China's high-end home storage products market to meet the storage needs in the sense of wardrobe, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, balcony, travel, and so on, to make each item have its own home. Over the past 20 years, Taili has comprehensively expanded modern retail channels in China with more than 4,000 terminal outlets. Taili has fully entered into the mainstream supermarket scene, excellent supplier of the world's retail giants. At present, Taili spared no efforts to develop a global e-commerce business and has won the title of Top 100 e-commerce enterprises in Guangdong Province. We are the core seller of Tmall, Jingdong, Amazon, VIP Shop, Pinduoduo, and other mainstream online platforms. In 2019, the overall transaction volume of e-commerce increased 3 times compared with the same period of the previous year. In 2020, the overall business growth rate in the first quarter reached 30%, of which e-commerce growth has reached 207%. In February of 2020, Taili won the best seller in Tmall collection in category. Wei Ya, Li Jiaqi, Luo Yunhao, and other famous celebrities have recommended our products in their broadcasting room. Among them, Li Jiaqi broke the record by selling 5 million yuan for a single product within 1 hour. In May 2020, Taili is listed as one of Tmall's top 10 brand selling products overseas. In June 2020, Taili Group was invited to attend Tmall Home Live exhibition. Mr. Shi Zhengbing, chairman of the board, was awarded Leading Innovation Award by Alibaba Group. At the same time, our foreign trade business is advancing hand in hand. By the end of October 2019, Taili products have been exported to 168 countries and regions, including North America, Europe, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Southeast Asia, and Russia. We are the worldwide supplier of the retail giants, including Walmart, Carrefour, Costco, Target, Nigeria, etc. Taili Group is an enterprise with a sense of social responsibility, actively engaged in public welfare undertakings. Taili has been awarded the title of Caring Enterprise by the Red Cross for 8 years consecutively. In 2020, the sudden outbreak of COVID-19 is affecting everyone in China and the world. With a heart of gratitude, we give back to the society with our actions. Accumulatively donated more than 1.3 million epidemic prevention materials and cash. Since 2010, Taili Group has sponsored the Boarding Festival for consecutive 10 years. Jingshan successfully held the Asian Bird Watching Expo, which promotes the Jingshan Boarding Festival to become an industry event and calls for environmental protection and animal protection. This moment, we sincerely show gratitude to those who strive together for the same goal. Thank you for being here. You are a lot stronger than you were yesterday, and you will be. The future is worth looking forward to. All of us will be better.